medium flame. Just add oxygen just till the orange disappears. We could increase the flame after we place the solder, but for now we'll just use this flame. If the orange comes up, we'll just adjust. It looks good now. We can burn this extra gunk off here. Not burn it off, but heat it up and wipe it off. You heat it red hot. You can just wipe all that stuff off. So now we're going to pick up a piece of medium solder and heat it up. Take your flame away. Get it on the tip. I'm going to warm up the area, and then place my solder on the inside. Push it down to the bottom. I think I'll put 2 pieces of solder on each. And I'm going to add this flux. You could also pre-melt solder on this. You want to do it this different way. You just pre-melt on the rim. Just melt it. I'm going to add a little more flux on here. And then place it on here upside down. So that might be easier than putting the balls inside. It's up to you which way you want to do it. You know, make sure they're where you want them to be. Increase the gas. And then heat from underneath. Get that brass up to temperature. I know the brass turned copper color, but that can be sanded off later. It'll come back to the copper color. I mean brass color. The copper plate's in the pickle pot too. You can see the solder flowed on each one. So I'm finished. And then I will quench. And then pickle.